Content creation takes hours, but writing is only half the battle. You spent just as much time formatting headers, fixing spacing, and clicking through menus just to get those drafts to stop piling up and actually get them online. Today, we are going to bypass the WordPress editor completely. By the end of this workflow, you will have Claude AI connected directly to your website's backend, handling the entire publishing pipeline automatically. To start, open 3 browser tabs: your WordPress admin dashboard, a FlowHunt account, and Claude. We are going to connect these 3 platforms so that you can step away from manual data entry and operate as the manager of a highly efficient automated system. Let's build the connection. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click your user profile, and scroll down to the application password section. You never want to hand out your primary WordPress login to a third-party tool. An application password gives the automation access to your site through the API, but keeps your main credentials completely isolated. Type FlowHunt integration into the name field, click Generate, and copy the unique password it gives you to your clipboard. Next, switch over to your FlowHunt tab and navigate to the Integrations menu. Select WordPress. Here, you need to provide the bridge. Paste your website's URL, your WordPress username, and the specific application password. Hit Connect and watch for the Success Validation badge to appear on the FlowHunt interface. With this compartmentalized setup, if FlowHunt ever experienced a breach, you would simply delete the application password in WordPress. Your main website logging remains completely secure. This diagram shows how an MCP server acts as a translator. It allows an AI to safely execute commands within external software by translating them into actions your website can read. In your FlowHunt dashboard, click Add MCP Server and select the WordPress module. FlowHunt presents a permissions checklist. This defines which administrative tools the AI can use, like creating posts or editing accounts. We want to apply the principle of least privilege, disable user administration and plugin management. Claude only needs pathways related to content creation. Once you save those permissions, FlowHunt generates a unique MCP server URL. Copy this link. Go to your final tab, Claude. Open your integration settings, click to add a custom connector, and paste the FlowHunt URL. Treat this specific URL with the same security as a bank password. Anyone with this link can execute commands on your site, so never share it publicly or paste it where others can see it. By setting these rigid digital boundaries, you give the AI the exact tools it needs to work autonomously, without giving it the power to accidentally break your site's infrastructure. The pipeline is ready. Open a fresh chat in Claude and make sure your new FlowHunt connector is toggled on. Type a prompt instructing Claude to use its new connection. Tell it to read your site's existing categories and analyze the specific HTML structure and tone of your 5 most recent posts. Command Claude to draft a new post mirroring that exact structure using the same header hierarchy and assigning it to the best fit category it retrieved. Because you provided that context, Claude autonomously applies the correct HTML formatting. It builds the structure with H2 and H3 tags perfectly suited for your specific WordPress theme. It then cross-references your existing taxonomy. Based on the topic it just wrote, it automatically assigns the most relevant categories and tags it found in your database earlier. Go back to your WordPress dashboard tab. Click Refresh on your posts page. A fully structured, categorized post is sitting right there in your drafts. The content was created and loaded into the backend without a human ever touching the WordPress editor. Click Preview on that draft to verify the clean, professional formatting rendering perfectly on your live public front end. Think about the manual actions you just eliminated. No copy-pasting from a document, no fixing broken paragraph spacing, and no scrolling through menus to click category boxes. Once you verify the AI's output is consistently matching your standards, you can quickly change your initial prompt. Tell Claude to publish the post immediately instead of saving it as a draft. For the final step, you can take this exact Claude prompt into FlowHunt's Visual Builder and schedule the workflow to run autonomously every single day. Artificial intelligence is now fully capable of acting as an operational bridge between your creative ideas and your live website. It does all the heavy lifting, allowing you to finally reclaim the hours you used to spend doing it manually.